Yeah, like for me, like she's a mother figure यहाँ पे currently is home like yeah. So because of her, I got a bit more civilized, I would say. Yeah.
We all have our phases. Okay, so wakes up in the so I think I can break that down and actually tell who is whom. So if you say wake up in the morning, I think all of us like that. We are all up early. Works in the morning this time. And then works at night. I think we all work at night whenever is necessary, whenever we have like client meetings or whatever. Yeah, but we all like to wake up in the morning, I think.
Yeah. And when we don't, we all don't.
Yeah.
We all end up
Somehow.
not doing it.
Yeah.
Cut.
Paralyzed.
Just by the way, he's the last person you want to like throw impromptu questions at. Okay, last person. Throw it at anyone but him.
Multiple. For me, it would start with the housewarming party.
Yeah.
that we had.
That was really
That was
good.
good.
That was wild. Yeah, and see, my first when he told about getting the property at night with no lights on. So I was staying at HSR layout with one of my friends over there. So I called him up, and the first thing he said, "Ki PPK, we found it." Didn't say anything, no pictures, no nothing. We found it. I was like, okay, let's go, and we had to throw the housewarming party of Bangalore. Yeah, so we came a bit prepared and had all our friends over.
Yeah.
And it was wild. Yeah,
I wish I was there.
yeah, you should have been there.
Yeah.
What about you?
Impromptu.
I'll get back to it. I'll get back to it.
Yeah, I will give you some guidance about it.
Okay, I'll start with mine. Okay, so there are too many, but if I have to make it what I can actually say on camera as well, then it would be the time that we got plants for this house. So it was scorching heat outside. It was so hot. And it's not even like April. It's still March, right? As we talk. Yeah, it's March. So it is so hot in Bangalore already, and Aditya had this idea that if we were just to put some plants that we could water, you know, it would be cooler. And so we got that for the balcony in my room, and then a few are here. But the balcony in the room is like more plants. So yeah, I think that's one of the more recent memories where I think it was just really nice. It felt like I'm finally at home with my plants and like we have pets and everything. So.
It's kind of low key, but like there was this one time when I was alone at this place, and when both of them were not there, and just I was here, and I know like I spent like a good 3-4 hours just cleaning everything, like everything.
He loves cleaning by the way.
Yeah,
And,
so 3-4 hours of therapy cleaning later, like when I like put on the lights, like the curtains were off, and I just thought, okay, this is my apartment. No one.
No
one.
one, I'm sure.
Very proudly.
No.
Yeah,
Yes.
we are the rich.
yeah.
We are the real
Oh,
rich
shit,
people.
Yes to that.
The fact that I am living with guys, I came with my own set of, you know, inhibitions. That I am, how would the place be? And while they do fall short on a couple of things that I don't necessarily need to say on camera, I think the great thing is that they get it. What it is like to clean the place and organize the place is something that they get, and I definitely believe that Aditya gets it like completely. And that was a very nice surprise. There's like one step further, okay? When you're done with your meal, you have to put all the things that you did not eat, like the wet waste, onto the dustbin, and then you have to clean your dish with water. And that is how you keep it aside. Like not people don't get it. You could tell them this, people don't get it, and there's just like micro flies around that like leftover food that I genuinely hate to my core. And he ensures that never happens for whatever it is that he eats.
We used to do.
We
Yeah.
do a lot.
Yeah,
We
a
used to initially watch Suits together when we were
Uh-huh.
having lunch.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but that fizzled out eventually when we decided that this is getting addictive.
Yeah.
You have to be productive.
Yeah.
So,
The thing is that we don't have a boss, okay?
yeah, I feel you. I feel you.
We
Yeah.
have no one telling us that you have to do this.
Yeah.
Other than our own-
Self-discipline is a bitch.
We have a maid coming in every day.
So you get your meals done.
Yeah, so
from-
for the first week,
from
we
here.
did try this ambitious thing where we'll cook like slow carb meals and everything.
Yeah.
But it very quickly got to us. Like it's good to, and I think, see, I already mentioned it, and I knew this, but I wanted to, like, I still felt it. It's like it's one thing to cook, and it's one thing to have to cook, and like having to cook took a lot of out of us. So then we got
Nimisha.
Nimisha, obviously.
Obviously, yeah. To try the pancakes.
Who's the second amongst these two?
Aditya.
Yeah,
Fairly clear in that case.
yeah.
We know what our roles are.
Yeah.
That's really good actually. You guys are a good co-founding pair as well.
Like, subscribe, share.
Happy planting.